Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 30th, 1899. Man has lost religion. Threat of chastisements. This morning, my beloved Jesus transported me outside of myself and made me see the decadence of religion in men and a preparation for war. I said to him, "O Lord, in what a heart-rending state the world finds itself in these times, in things of religion. It seems that the world no longer recognizes she who ennobles man and makes him aspire to an eternal purpose. But that which makes one cry the most is that religion is ignored by some of the very ones who call themselves religious, who should lay down their lives to defend her and revive her." And Jesus, assuming a most afflicted appearance, told me,
"My daughter, this is why man lives like a beast, because he has lost religion. But times yet more sad will come for man, because of the blindness in which he of his own has immersed himself, so much so that my heart aches in seeing him. But the blood which I will cause to be shed by every kind of people, secular and religious, will revive this holy religion, and will water the rest of the people, grown wild, that will be left, and civilizing them again, it will restore their nobility. Here is the necessity for blood to be shed, and for churches themselves to be almost destroyed, so that they may be restored anew and exist with their original prestige and splendor.
but who can say the cruel havoc they will wreak on them in the times to come? I let it pass in silence because I don't remember very well, and I don't see it very clearly. If the Lord wants me to talk about it, He will give me more clarity, and then I will pick up the pen again on this topic. So for now, I stop here. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.